Professional editing, an objective evaluation. Your module objectives are to develop an understanding on editing and to differentiate self-editing and professional editing. By definition, editing means prepare written material for publication by correcting, condensing, or otherwise modifying it. It's important because it improves the formatting, style, and accuracy of text. It uncovers errors that can affect the quality, and it also eliminates major risks for loss of sales. Editing remains an important element even in ebook writing. This is one of the major influences on your ebook success. Proper editing does not guarantee success, but it does eliminate one of the major risks of a loss in sales and reputation. Next, let's look at some different types of editing. Basically, you have two choices when it comes to editing. You either do the editing by yourself or you have it done professionally. Some writers decide to edit their own work. It takes a lot of time, costs a lot, and tends to be emotionally invasive. Others just cannot bear to hear what needs to be fixed in their work. After all, the hard work you put into it, you cannot be blamed for wanting to skip this part. Editing is a critique, that is why many writers decide against it. In response, some writers just decide to take matters into their own hands. More specifically, they decide to edit their own work. Most do it to save money and cut down on expenses. Having the service outsourced means spending money after all. Another thing of importance is to avoid wasting time as well. Poring over someone's work can take a while. More than these two reasons, it's the emotional toll that many writers want to avoid. When personal feelings are used, the editor tends to have a biased opinion towards the ebook under scrutiny. As such, this can be very bad for turning up a profit. Proper editing uncovers errors that need to be corrected. In the process, you as the writer should make the necessary changes to make your ebook better. With a mask of emotions on, you can easily overlook these errors and inadvertently publish bad copies. It's quite easy for people to pick up on these errors, and when they do, you will start to lose your credibility as a good writer. The importance of professional editing. In place of self-editing, you should consider hiring a professional to do the job for you. Professional editors are capable of setting their emotions aside and focus on improving your work. This helps reveal anything that needs to be changed, improved, or taken out of your ebook. The end result is an ebook with better quality which your readers will admire. Of course, there is a fine line between hiring a professional and asking your friend to do the editing for you. Friends tend to lack the critique needed for editing an ebook. They may have the best intentions at heart, but the best does not always come out of this. They often lack the ability to make sure that the message of your work is delivered. Sure, professional editing does cost a bit and takes some time to complete. However, do consider the things you are getting out of it. Think of it as an investment that ensures better sales once the report comes up. Before you publish, hire a professional editor to ensure the quality of your work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.